How to fix QR code scanner not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, first stop camera, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down. Now here you will see force stop, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off scan QR code. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, find QR code scanner. After find QR code scanner, turn on or turn off QR code scanner. After that, clear cache camera, open setting, scroll down, again click on apps, again search camera app, and again click on camera. Scroll down. Now here you will see storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for updates, and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix QR code scanner not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.